Welcome to this video. In today's video session, we will understand what a meta description is and why it plays a crucial role in SEO. Whether you are writing blog posts or product pages, mastering meta description can improve your visibility and clicks. Let's get started. A meta description is a short snippet of text that appears below the title tag in search engine results. It gives a brief summary of your web page content. Even though meta descriptions are not a direct ranking factor, they influence whether user clicks on your result or not. A well-written meta description improves your click-through rate, which indirectly impacts your SEO performance. Keep your meta description between 150 to 160 characters. This ensures your message is fully visible on both desktop and mobile devices. Including your focused keyword naturally in meta description help users immediately know the content is relevant. Google often bolds matching keywords in SERP, which can catch attention. Write your description like a mini ad. Add a call to action or emphasize the value you offer. Tell the user what benefit they will get if they click. Let's take a quick look at what not to do. These common mistakes can hurt your SEO and user engagement. Here is a comparison of bad and a good meta description. Notice how the optimized version includes a keyword, clear value, and a compelling reason to click. Writing optimized description is easier with the right tools. These platforms help review how your snippet will look in Google and check length and keyword use. To summarize, meta description may not directly affect your ranking, but they can significantly improve your click-through rate and user engagement. They are your digital elevator pitch. So make every word count. Thanks for watching. Now that you know how meta description works, go ahead and optimize your web pages today. Like, comment and subscribe for more SEO tutorials and check out our SEO course link in the description.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.